Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo. In this video, we are discussing questions of Urdu. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here are the questions of Urdu that you can see on the screen. So question number 1 to 6. 1, 2 and 3 questions all are about 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 and 5 you need to write in the 150 to 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 you need to write in the 500 words. And before and for your information, we have written all the answers in the PDF, all the subjects. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.